This is the Audi CRE engine. It is manufactured in our own factory with original parts. The 3.0-liter CRE or 3.0 TFSI turbo engine has been produced at the Concern factory since 2014, and is installed on such popular models of the German company as the A6, A7, and the Q7 crossover. This unit is equipped with combined fuel injection and belongs to the EA837 Evo series. Power output 233 horsepower. Torque output 440 Nm. Cylinder block aluminum V6, locate aluminum 24V. Compression ratio 10.8 with compressor turbo, and fuel type is petrol.